Hi guys, Belinda here. Welcome back. I've gone ahead and laid down my white. This is a 12 by 12 inch canvas. And I'm just going to give it a quick torch. Now what I'm going to do today, I have not done before. This is my white, which is actually quite thin. Take that and put that aside. And I am going to be using this little world's smallest blower. Right, so I haven't done it before. If it doesn't work out, I guess I'm going to be doing a blowout on top of it. So here I have Prussian Blue. And I'm not too sure how much I need to put down. I'm just going to do it off center. See how this goes. Hopefully it doesn't blow too hard. Okay guys, I'm going to put some music to it because I think you might get bored stiff waiting for me to talk. So I hope you can sit back and enjoy. I'm just going to add a teeny bit of Dioxodine Purple. So I have a bit of white here and a stick, and I'm going to make a center. Actually, before I do that, let me just torch it. Right, so I'm going to start in the center, and I'm just going to make some very small dots. As I get out towards the outer part, I will make the little dots bigger and bigger. Right guys, I'm nearly done. I'm just adding some highlights and I'll bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, so this has been sitting for about half an hour. As you can see, I hope you can, there are beautiful delicate petals around the outside, and then we have the darker bit on the inside. Some more beautiful soft petals. So all in all, I think this turned out really nicely. It's quite beautiful. And then that center part is really, really nice. Well guys, just a little experiment, and thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of my artwork, please email me on withbade@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.